Good morning, it's Friday and I've not done any vlogs since Tuesday evening because I've been off sick. I came down with a case of the dreaded lurgy, so I was resting as much as I can, but I'm over the worst of it. So now I'm going to go with my father and cousin to the northeast corner of Bangladesh, a town called Habiganj, which we're going to visit, and that place has a huge meaning in my life, which you will find out soon enough. And this is the lovely vehicle which will be taking us there this morning, and we hope to arrive there sometime in the late afternoon. Okay, bye Akash, Khuda Hafiz, and I'll see you soon in a few days. And we're off. We're in great hands with our driver Shahibuddin, who's from Faridpur. Stopping here to fill up with some compressed natural gas. And so it'll go through this hole right there. So we filled up with 1,047.48 taka, which is just over €10. And they even have a prayer room at the side. And we've arrived at our midway point. We always stop here for a bit of a brew and a bite to eat. It's Hotel Ujan Vati. So we've just parked up, as you can see behind, and we're going to see what delights they have to offer up ahead. So just go up these welcoming steps. Geez, I remember the first time I was here, it was in 2009, and to my right, oh my goodness, it has changed so much. I took a photo which did extremely well in the National Shield for the Kilkenny Photographic Society of 3 little kids playing around some grain covers, and that is all gone now. Bit of a remnant over there, but just this retail unit is open just down below. Right, so let us go in. There's usually someone here to open the door for us, but I could do it myself. So it's fairly modern, fairly spacious. So we're going to grab a seat and see what they have to offer. So I didn't stay too long, didn't have much there. Got to pull this. My father just had a brew, a tea, a Pepsi, pack of crisps, and a Kit Kat, which is in my pocket. And we are now gonna make our way to Habiganj. After naam ki?
Mohammad Dana Mia.
Mohammad Dana Mia. After দেখছি অনেক বছরের জন্য
এই হোটেলে 2004 সালের থেকে আমি চাকরি করতে।
ও আচ্ছা।
এই হোটেলে যেদিন উদ্বোধন হয়েছে সেদিন থেকে আমি চাকরি করি।
এইটি কোন বছর হয়েছিল?
এটা 2004 সাল, 2004 এর লাস্ট 5 এর মাস।
ও আচ্ছা।
6 তারিখ মাসের ছিল 6 তারিখ 12 ছিল শুক্রবার।
ও আচ্ছা।
মাসটা কত মাস আছে এটা আমার খেয়াল নাই। কত বছর 18 বছর হয়ে গেছে তো। 18 বছর হয়ে গেছে, আমি ইনশাআল্লাহ এই উজান বাড়িতে আছি, সিকিউরিটি পোস্টে আছি, আমি ভালো আছি। সবাই আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন।
আচ্ছা।
আমার 3 ছেলে, মেয়ে, আল্লাহর কাছে সকলে দোয়া করবেন। আমার পরিবার মারা গেছে, আমার পরিবারের জন্য আল্লাহ জান্নাত বাসী করে আপনারা সকলে আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন ইনশাআল্লাহ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
So we all pray for this gentleman here who's been working since the place first opened. this is the border between Chittagong Division and Sylhet Division, and Sylhet Division is where Habiganj is located. So as soon as we're over this bridge, we're more or less in the Habiganj district, getting closer and closer to our target. As we're nearing Habiganj, it looks like there's a bit of an accident up ahead involving a truck. That's all I can see. So I don't know if we can squeeze through at the side. Try as we might, if the CNGs don't beat us to it. And the motorbikes. So I just hope it's not serious, that no one was badly injured. Alright, so we're squeezing through that. A huge crowd has gathered, a few over in the field there, and on this side no, I couldn't really see what was going on. So on we plod. There's only a couple of miles left. And so after about 5 hours of travelling, including the welcome break at Hotel Ujan Vati, we have finally made it to Habiganj. Okay, so this is going to be my home whilst I stay here in Habiganj. It's a family bungalow, so I'll give you a bit of a room tour as we go in. So this is the front door and the lobby. That's one of the bedrooms there, and this will be my bedroom here. Another large bed. The room's a little bit smaller than the one in Dhaka, but this is my veranda. Not much of a view, but at least you have some fresh air to breathe. The ensuite here. And now heading back. The dining room. The kitchen. Another bedroom there. Another bathroom, the sitting room, and that just about completes the tour of my house here in Habiganj. Right, it's just after 10 p.m. and the temperature's dropped to around 19 Celsius. It's a lot cooler here than it is in Dhaka because we're in the northeast of the country, and I've decided to go with my cousin and his friend to the Mela, the festival or the fairground. So I've just hopped onto this rickshaw here, and I wasn't really feeling the best earlier when I got to Habiganj. So I rested easy, ate some food, and that worked a treat. So even though I'm not 100%, it's the last day, so I've got to check it out and show you what it's all about. In the meantime, enjoy this rickshaw ride as we go through the streets of Habiganj in northeast Bangladesh. There wouldn't be a great deal of people around because it is Friday evening. Friday is Jummah, the day of Sabbath for Muslims. Ooh, they love their lights very bright over here. That's one of the coaches. They love to let us know that they are the bosses of the road. And this is no ordinary rickshaw because it is electric powered. So these models are increasing as the days go by. Makes it so much easier for the rickshawwala or the rickshaw operator to pedal these heavy loads of us fat people around the place. Yeah, the road is very uneven in places, so we have to traverse this way and that way to avoid the worst of the bumps. আপনার নাম কি বল? তানভীর। তানভীর। মোহাম্মদ তানভীর। তানভীর। ছোট ভাই লিটল ব্রাদার তুমি বলবেন হ্যাঁ তুমি ওপেন পয়সা দিবা নি পরে আমারে দিব না ঠিক করে Now, this is the baby stand we're at now, isn't it? The baby stand. So it's famous for the CNGs before when they were powered by diesel or liquid fuel, whatever it was. I couldn't tell you the exact. They were called baby taxis, the auto rickshaws were. And so that area was called Baby Stand, where you could get your auto rickshaw from, and the name has remained to this day. So we're now on College Road, according to the rickshaw driver, because no one else could tell me. Iti Shundor Bati Jalai Sekano. So the police have stopped us from going any further, so we have to end our journey here and continue the rest of it on foot and capture what's left of this fair. Okay, so we've reached the entrance to the Fun Fair Festival, Mela, whatever you want to call it. And don't the gates of it look absolutely splendid? Oh my goodness, it's almost like you're entering a palace as such. Wow. So we'll go in this way. There's actually a car over there which is going to be won on a lottery which they're doing. Let's have a closer look at that. And second prize is that Tom Tom. I think I prefer the Tom Tom, it looks more fun. Okay, so let's go inside. Got a couple of hours left. I wasn't feeling the best earlier, so I'm hopping onto this rickshaw here